decided to stop by, sat down for a spell.
I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish.
As of late, I've been doing these Instagram posts with the hashtag selfishly single. I gotta tell you where that came from. Just got back from Thanksgiving, got to spend some time with my family, mess around with my mom and them on Black Friday, Brown Thursday, Ash Wednesday. I don't know what was going on, but messed around with them in every single store practically. Ate some great food, had some great laughs. I think it was like Friday morning, Black Friday. I'm out with my cousin and my aunt, and we stopped by the store, White House Black Market. My aunt was talking about this coat that she had been watching for like a month, and how she had watched the prices drop. And so we go in, and of course it's Black Friday, and the store's like having this amazing sale. So me being the shopping addict that I am, and I was like, buy the coat, rack it up, throw the cash down, buy the darn coat. What are we even standing here talking about? She turned, she was like, no, today I'm not shopping for me. I'm shopping for my girls, you know, her daughters. And yeah, it's not my day. What? Oh, wait. I don't understand the words that you're using right now. You on them drugs, ain't you? Yeah, see, in my world, there really isn't a day that I say, oh, today's not about me. I mean, okay, it does happen occasionally, like, I don't know, like weddings, if I'm in the wedding, a funeral. Okay, those are about the only times. In that moment, realize just how horribly selfish I really am. And so I turned to my cousin and I was like, dude, if this had been tables reversed, I'd have been like, uh-oh, sale of the century. I turned to my cousin and I was like, yeah, I am so incredibly selfish. And she said, but Chrissy, you're allowed to be selfish. You're single. You won't have anyone else to think about. You can be selfish. I'm not saying you are like nasty selfish where you're like, it's all about me, it's my day, it's Chris' day, turn up on a regular basis. Of course, you have to give of yourself, especially in the industry that I'm in. You always have to be thinking about someone else. But in the same breath, when it comes to buying stuff or getting things that I want, other than my budget, I don't really pause much. Really an eye-opener for me about what a selfish lifestyle I lead. But however, because I am single with no children, I am allowed to live this lifestyle. I'm very selfishly single, but being selfish in your singleness is an okay thing. And I know some people might come back and say, oh, but you don't want to be like that. You don't want to be selfish. You need to start practicing, you know, giving more of yourself, because what's going to happen if you get married? And I understand that. But for me, that's almost like a person coming to me and saying, you know what? You really should practice having sex because in case you get married. No, that is not the position that I am in. Plus, practicing sex would be a sin. But I just feel like right now the gift that I have been given in life is to be single, and that I need to ride this pony for all it's worth, so that if one day that station changes, you know, I won't look back and think to myself, oh, how much I did not really use this time wisely. I'm just saying that as a single, you don't have to be worried about the immediate cares of a child or a husband like you do when you're married. So with that said, my hashtag on Instagram, selfishly single, you're going to be seeing it a whole lot. You're probably going to see it come up even more on the blog. And I actually would love to hear from people about, you know, what do you think about being single and being selfish, and just really using this time wisely. I really want to implore singles to bust the brakes off this time. You might be single for the rest of your life. Great. You might get married. Great. But all I'm saying is use the time that you have been given now and live your life to the fullest. Go out and eat. Go to the movies. Go buy an outfit. Go buy some expensive chocolates. Get some earrings. Fly a kite. Do some stuff that other people might not want to do with you. Live your life to the fullest and be selfish with this time. Be selfish, because there's going to be a day whether it be your parents get sick, or you have to take care of a niece or nephew, whatever may have you, or you get married, whatever your station in life may be, where it will not be about you. So all I'm saying is bust the brakes off. Be selfish, be single, be selfishly single. Got it? All right, who's gonna join me? See you next time.
I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish.